What's up guys, thanks for checking in for another video. If you're new to the channel, my name's Connor Ahern. I'm an automotive enthusiast as well as a entrepreneur based in Michigan, more specifically the Metro Detroit area. But anyways, today I'm working on my 240. I've been posting content of this build recently. So what's been going on is the front bash bar and kind of all the support where all the kind of structural integrity will take place after I take out all the side and front OEM structures, because I'm going to cut from the shock tower, or well, right here forward, and all that's coming off except the frame rail. And yeah, so it's been taking a while to get everything prepped and tacked on there. Most of the parts aren't even really fully welded on. They're just welded enough to keep structural rigidity as far as just cutting out everything. And then I'll have better access to most of the parts to finish the welds. And pretty much the driver's side is done and ready to be cut. Got to repeat everything I've done as far as front like triangle bracing and vertical supports. That all needs to be done over here, as well as bracing all of this area. So gonna cut out the front and then move over to the passenger area. So yeah, nice Sunday morning to afternoon. We'll see what gets done, and you know, hopefully the weather works with us so we can film more supercar content. If you're unfamiliar with my channel, I have a Lamborghini Huracan that I absolutely love. Picked it up last year, and this season I'm looking forward to quite a bit of rally content, car scene stuff. So hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, and stick tuned for the rest of the video. Thanks for watching guys, and hope you enjoy it. See ya. So got a lot of background noise, got lots of wind and my heater going, but got the front section cut out, or half of it so far, driver's side cut out. Need to clean it up a bit, but as far as the cuts, came out pretty good. As mentioned, everything still just kind of tacked together. Needed to finish up all the welding, but as you can tell, all this front area here will be gone as well. So it will just be front tube frame. I've been kind of debating it. I have to look up the regular rules for drifting and all that. I know for Formula D, you can't have a tower structure going from here to your cage, but I'm not doing Formula D. I'm just doing grassroots drifting. So I'm just gonna look at my local drifting rules as far as like the tracks and stuff, and make sure that what I do here won't mess me up with passing tech inspection. But what I would like to do is integrate the shock tower, so I'll plate around this and tap all these holes, obviously, and try to not lose any of the shape. So I'll probably cut a plate here and then have a plate here, so it actually, because this is beveled down, so it's a different angle than this surface. But the idea would be plate this around and then have another tube go from here to here, eliminating the wiper motor. I'm probably going to keep a wiper just to pass like pass cop inspection, because I mean the car's plated. I'll definitely be driving this on the road more often than I can get to the track, so it'll be fun to just be able to get away with everything with the cop. So I'll have headlights, blinkers, the windshield wiper will probably be there, but the motor, I doubt they're gonna make me pop the hood. I really hope they don't ask me to pop the hood, because they probably would be concerned seeing a car like this, considering that most cops don't know jack shit about cars. Anyways, the idea will be have that tower structure on each side going to the cage, and that way the whole car pretty much becomes a like an exo car with a skin over it. So if like any side impact, as mentioned before, like if the whole rear side gets smacked up over the season, I intend to pretty much just cut here downwards and make it like a pretty much like an exo truck build kind of thing. Same thing goes with the A-pillars. If the A-pillars get fucked up, if it's exoed and like, you know, full roll cage on the inside, you just cut the pillar away and then you still got a good chassis to drift. So the idea is longevity. I know this car is going to get beat up over time, as it's going to be a track and drift car, so I do want to make sure that the money I put into it is kind of protected over the course of time with proper safety gear, as far as all this caging, bracing, and all that stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna keep moving forward. Front bars are just tacked into place, gotta weld those up, and then gotta repeat everything I did over here onto the passenger side. And I'll probably take a while. Doubt I'll get that done fully today, but making progress. All right, guys. So that's that. As mentioned, just gonna keep moving forward with this. I hope you like the content. Hit that subscribe button, and I almost just tripped over a Sharpie. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just keep moving forward on this work. Thanks, guys. And we're back. So, got a little bit more done. Cleaned up this area because I'm going to be reinforcing it. Did a little bit of tack weld. It's going to be stitch welding most of the car, or what I can get done without pulling up panels to get to the insulation, or kind of more like the silicone that they use to hold things down, in addition to the spot welds. So, oh, well, seam sealer. It's called seam sealer. But anyways, just, you know, cleaning up some of the welds. A few areas I'm not too proud of. I'll probably grind down and then re-weld. But it's coming along. It's, you know, gonna look pretty mean. These tabs are for the headlights. These are for the front fender. And it all should, when pieced together and driving down the road, other than the sound of the car, I doubt people will even know that all this has been done. And I mean, you can see all the cage and stuff because I will have windows. Took out all the windows a while ago. Yeah, this was a while ago, but gonna be cutting this out soon. to allow room for NASCAR style door bars. Anyways guys, it's about lunchtime. Gonna go grab some lunch. If I make it back here tonight, I'll keep filming. If not, thanks for watching, and stick tuned for the next one. Thanks guys.